Alright guys, so we're gonna do number 5 together. Let's go ahead and look for certain things I want you to kind of be aware of. We're gonna look for things like decay rate of sample and things that say current living organisms. Let's go ahead and read number 4. We're gonna go like in the mid part of the first sentence. On a sample of the shroud of Turin showed a 14 carbon decay rate of 14.2. On the sample of Turin has a 14.2 decay rate. Let's go to number 5. Predict the age of the shroud if currently living organisms show a decay rate of 15.3. Okay, that's how we're going to set up our NT to NO. No more initial, no more final. We're looking for these words. All right. We're going to go ahead and put it in our equation here. I'm going to separate this. I'm going to do something for you in a second. Let's go ahead and put these values in. Ln is 14.2 over 15.3 equals negative KT. I'm going to go ahead and do this middle part just for simplicity. I want you guys to see this. It's like 928 equals negative 1.21 times 10 to the negative 4 years, negative 1. And I'm solving for t. This ln, this is going to be a negative number. It's going to be a negative 0.0746 equals t over a negative 1.21 times 10 to the negative 4. And then our years will be up here. Because there's a negative 1 down here, we can put it up here. So our years will be up here. So that's why our time is going to be a positive number. This negative and that negative is going to be a positive 617 years. Okay, let's pretend you don't remember this way. Let's pretend you don't know which numbers to go. Let's try to do that over. Let's do that in blue. Let's do that in blue so we can see what will happen if we do try to do it the wrong way. Ln 15.3 over 14.2 equals negative KT. Okay, fine. Then what's this going to be? This is going to be a ln 1.077 equals negative 1.21 times 10 to the negative 4 years, negative 1. Solving for time. Ln of 1.07 is going to be, I'm sorry, it's going to be 0.0746. Not negative 0.47. It's going to be a positive. Okay? If we want to solve for time, we're going to bring this over here. We're going to bring over a negative 1.21 times 10 to the negative 4. Our years are going to go up here. What are we going to get? We're going to get like a negative something, right? Are we going to get a negative? Are we going to get a negative 617 years? Are we going to get a negative 617 years? Probably. Does that make sense, having a negative 7? No. You want a positive time. Even if you do it both ways, you will always get the right answer because you want the positive time. Follow this way, look for the verbiage. If you're really stuck, put the smaller over the bigger. If you're really stuck, do it both ways. You cannot get a negative time. It'll be the same number. Negative time you cannot have. All right, let's do the next one, guys.